Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the FAIRWIN Men's Ratchet Web Belt. This is a 1.25-inch nylon automatic buckle belt, and I love it. This is a great design, and I really like the Ratchet buckle. Let me give you some close-ups of this belt so you can see for yourself. This is a quality belt. The belt buckle itself is really cool. It's designed really neat. It's got a little lever that will release the belt, but to put it on, simply slide the end of the belt in. Just a little more close-ups of the belt. The way this belt works is simple, and I like simple. Simply push the end of the belt in, and the ratchet does the work. It grips it and holds it. Here's another view from the underside of the belt. Try as you may, but that belt is not going to release until you use the lever, and I like that. Here's a side view of me trying to pull the belt. It's not coming undone. Just use that little lever, slide it up, and the belt easily comes in and out. And here's a view of the belt on a pair of pants that I might wear. Let me tell you, the belt is functional and it's also stylish. I also consider the belt to be tactical. You can add your own attachments and it works perfect. It's the perfect size and width. Here I am modeling the belt, and it is so easy to get the exact fit on this belt that you want. And it looks good. Here I am showing you how to loosen and adjust. It is just very easy and simple. Now here I am showing you the tactical use of the belt. You can attach whatever you want. I really like this FAIRWIN ratchet belt. I think you will too, so if you're looking at it, I hope you found my video helpful.